The 2015 Scion TC. The Scion TC is powered by a spirited engine with a completely responsive handling system. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.